My name is William Beckett. It's great to be back here in Austin. Austin's one of my favorite cities in the country. Very excited. Very excited to be here. I'm going to kick it off with a little sing-along. Can I have a little more guitar, please, in the monitor? Alright, sing-along time. Ready? My life reads like the classified pages of what's for sale. What's on the auction block? The pensioner of his love 45. He's got a decent voice. He's got that crooked smile. Hold on, you haven't heard the facts yet. He writes good storylines. He's got those honest eyes. You'll pick him up for just $9.95. He'll sing the songs you like. He'll keep you warm at night. To forget about nights like this, when every single move that I make is documented, scorned for style points, the once ambitious one, now the smoking gun. If I die in my sleep, are you still willing to be everything you promised you would be? Back down, catch out, from the city for you. Break down, back out, and go coming to your reset you falling. To tell the neighbors and neighbors, all my family and friends still care. And did you buy what I sold you? Did you see what I told you? Hope that you still do. Will you promise yourself that this isn't all we got? Back down, cash out, there's a city for you. Break down, back out, and just coming to you. When you said you were falling apart, I thought you meant you're falling apart. Back down, cash out, there's a city for you. Break down and back out, and good coming to you. When you said you were falling